was putting, and then slowly step बाद आपने देखा था, first it was in 7.5 something, thereafter followed by 6.5 or something like that. That's it, okay? So which one is causing? And seismic zone 1 means there are 5 seismic zone in India. Seismic zone 1 means nobody feels earthquake. ऐसा earthquake इसमें कोई nobody feels. Seismic zone 2 means somebody feels earthquake. And seismic zone 3 means everybody feels earthquake. 1 means 2 means 3 means, but seismic zone 4, everybody feels earthquake and loss of life and property. And seismic zone 5 means everybody feels earthquake and there is a massive loss of life and property. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा? हिमालय में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश and उत्तराखंड will have this kind of yes, seismic zone 4 and 5. Right now, on the basis of these faults, we can say that Jammu and Kashmir, J&K, Himachal Pradesh, yes, and Uttarakhand, not and Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh will have seismic zone 4 and seismic zone 5. Seismic zone 4 and seismic zone 5. Yeah. I say that this is an Eurasian continental plate and it is an Indian Gondwana continental plate. And in between, which one is there? So first, and this one is known as, this kind of term is known as syntaxian. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? So syntaxian bend. So the first western syntaxian bend will collide or eastern syntaxian bend? Which bend? So first it will go like this और सबसे पहले क्या collide होगा? Continental collision में. Yes, western syntaxian bend. And यहाँ से काराकोरम लद्दाख और यहाँ पे अभी डेवलप नहीं हुआ होगा. So there will be सबसे फर्स्ट यहाँ पे पीक खड़ा होगा and that name is नंगा पर्वत. Continental convergence hits Himalayas and western syntaxian bend collided like it has been collided like clogged hinge of the. ये कैसा फंस गया? It has been clogged. फंस कैसा गया? जैसे दरवाजे का hinge होता है. Door has got one hinge और hinge के चारों तरफ door move करते रहता है. So it has been collided and then clogged like. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, what is momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity होगा. A cycle will have moving with 10 meter per second and truck is moving with the 10 meter per second. Which has more momentum? Truck. And when the Indian Gondwana plate was moving and then first it has been collided, so this portion will not move. So all the momentum only supplied for the eastern syntaxian bend. Yes or no? अब इतना मास नहीं मूव करेगा, only this much mass will move. So velocity will increase or not? So So eastern Syntaxian band, what happened? Collided like slant setting of the two. And I said that. After that I said eastern Syntaxian band collided like, yes, slant setting of door phenomena. Slant setting of, and when it has been collided like slant setting of the door phenomena, then which Himalayas will be more affected? Western Himalayas or Eastern Himalayas? So where is the Mount Everest? It will be eastern side or western side? Where is the Kanchenjunga? Eastern side. And therefore I said that Eastern Himalayas highly understood. Eastern Himalayas mountain have steeper slope which side? Western side or eastern side? So ज़्यादा force लगेगा, it will be more steeper slopes, and then Western Himalayas will have less. And I said that, और जैसे ही